I need help. I need help. All right, y'all, so I'm determined to slide down that hill. So I'm gonna take random items from my house to see which one works the best. We got a bin, this cardboard box because I'm small, so I should be able to fit in it. And then we got a suitcase. Then I don't even know why I'm out here for real, because I do not like the cold. Hi. Okay, but I'm gonna do this way. Oh. I might bust my butt in this one.
Yeah, because of the weight distribution.
I always wanted to snowboard.
Oh, don't do that.
So you wanna bust my butt?
Heck yeah. There we go.
I'm bobsledding. Alright, I'm done.